This video will show you how to add an authorized user to your student account. Students can give authorization to others to view their financial account, make or schedule payments, and receive notifications regarding financial statements. When a student authorizes this access, that individual is considered an authorized user. Now I'll show you how to add an authorized user. If you want to follow along and add your own authorized users, please have the email addresses of those individuals handy. Start by accessing aurorauniversity.octa.com and entering your login credentials. If you need assistance logging in, please contact the Information Technology Services Help Desk at 630-844-5790 or itshelp@aurora.edu. Once you've logged into Okta, click on the tile that says Make a Payment with the Aurora University logo. This will take you to your student account homepage. Click on Authorized Users in the menu on the right. This page will show current authorized users. To add a new authorized user, click Add Authorized User. Enter the email address of the authorized user. Be sure it is spelled correctly. Answer yes or no to the 3 questions listed, and then click Continue. An agreement to add an authorized user will pop up. Read through the agreement, click I agree if you want to proceed, and then click Continue. You will now see your new authorized user in your list of authorized users. An email with instructions on logging into the system will be sent to the email address you provided. Repeat these steps to add as many authorized users as you want. For questions about adding authorized users, please contact the Office of Student Accounts at 630-844-5470 or student.accts@aurora.edu.